Also from here, very cool view to the television tower of Stuttgart. Welcome to the SW.o.t., the Swabian on tour, another day out. Today I'm in the beautiful land of China. No, that's a joke. Today I'm taking you to a very special place right in the heart of Stuttgart, the Chinese Garden. Hard to believe, but this little piece of Asia was created in 1993 as a symbol of friendship between Stuttgart and its Chinese sister city Nanjing. Originally, the garden was part of a big international horticultural exhibition here in Stuttgart. But since it was so beautiful, they didn't want to just tear all this down. So the garden was carefully dismantled and moved to this current location, offering a stunning panoramic view over Stuttgart right next to the Leibfried Garden. And what can you see here? Let's go and experience this. But before we go to the gardens, look at that beautiful view. The clouds today. It's not so sunny, but you have a really cool view from here to the north side of Stuttgart. Very nice today. Like I said, a little bit cloudy, but the view is really far. And now let's go to the garden. That's the entrance portal from the front. And look, you must turn a few degrees around. You can see Stuttgart and the television tower in front of the clouds. And this public garden, did you know it's for free? Well, let's go inside. I don't know if you pronounce this Ching Garden of the Beautiful Melody with graffiti. Sorry, my Chinese followers and viewers, I don't know the words. I think that's the name of the garden here. Nice overview. A little bit cloudy today. The sun was here 1 hour ago, but now it's a little bit dark, but it's well made here. Very cool. It's written only in German, but I don't know if you can translate it when you pause the screen. There are different words here. And it's from a community who owns this. And you can make a gift. It's not from a community, it's from an association. Very cool. It's no silent garden. Behind me is the street and you hear the city life. A few people are here. A bamboo plant. And inside the pavilion, I think the association members made here their meetings. There's a small kitchen. Very nice, the stone sculpture here. And this ornaments in the wall. A little waterfall here. Under the pavilion. Let's go upstairs. Wow. Very cool view from here. The garden, I think, has only 1,500 square meters area, but very cool. This little park. And when you turn around, you have beautiful trees here and the view to the capital city of Baden-Württemberg, Stuttgart, and the television tower again. You have every few meters, few words, and you can read the translation of the words at the entrance. I think they need money or rich people to make a gift for a new seating place. And this is what I like in Stuttgart. You have here green trees, then you have the apartment houses and the bank village here. You have here on the hill again the green, the television tower, and look at that. In the middle of the city you have here vineyards. Isn't it cool? That's Stuttgart. That's the center of the city, and all these cranes are building the new main station. You see here, the main station goes underground, and you have here the light windows from the rooftop. Today it's the bottom, but in the future it's the rooftop from the main station. And when we made a 360, now I'm standing in the northwest from Stuttgart. Here it's the east side from Stuttgart, the middle of the city. And here I made the turnaround to the south. That's the part on the hill, Degerloch. And that's the south from Stuttgart. Wow, and look on the hills, these villas with a beautiful view over the city. I use the external microphone because it's a little bit windy here on the hill, and you have the street noise, because here behind this it's a bigger street with the bus line, the public buses. Oh, look at this beautiful tree. I think in the autumn time it's very nice here. And all the bamboo trees here. I like it. Very nice. And one of my last videos, no, in the last video, I don't know the word from this. In German it's called Löwenzahn, in English dandelion. So if you ever want to experience a bit of Far Eastern flair in the middle of Stuttgart, you definitely have to check it out. And the best part, I said it before, it's free! Oh, look, there are some fishes inside. Not the biggest koi, but small red and golden fishes. Okay, let's spend some money. Wow, I didn't expect that. There's also a turtle inside. Wow, look at that. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, that's it from me. Leave a like if you enjoyed this little tip, and let me know in the comments if you've been here before or if you know any other hidden gems. That was the video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up, push the notification bell and subscribe to the SWAT when the SWAT is on tour again on another day out. Thanks for watching and tschüssle till the next time.